Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and on today's episode we're going to be taking a look around the showroom and also giving everybody a little update on the auction and how things went. So let's hand it over to Sean.
All right then, Gary, welcome to the showroom.
Yeah, it's nice in there, it's nice and big, got loads of room there.
And this time I don't have to show my ugly legs to your viewers. It's a bit chilly outside. So let's have a look around. Some of the cars we featured. The Saab, let's see. The pickup, yeah, this one just went live on the auction. We put a market price between around 160 to 250, and it landed on 180, which is a good deal and a good price.
That's a really, really good deal, I think.
Yeah, it's a good price, both for the seller and the buyer. They're all happy, and it's a great car. Let's see, what else? Yeah, the 70s blue Volvo just went live. We reached 71,000 for this one, which is a good price. Good price. Everyone's happy.
I mean, how rare is this Volvo?
It's not a rare Volvo, but the colour combination is rare. As I said in the last video, you know, this blue and this striped interior, I think it was only one model year, 74. So it's really hard to find a car like this. So yeah, that achieved. And the Saab we had in the last one, which I told everyone to start buying.
Right, this is the one you were saying was going to be a future classic, yeah?
Yeah, this went for 61,000 Swedish crowns, and it was well over what we put as a market value. So I mean, you can see these are starting to come up in value, and people want them. So everyone's happy with that. What else have we had gone through today? Oh yeah, this one. Have a look around here. This is our Volkswagen section. This one, the Klubevang, which is a really one of 2,000 they made from the German Katastrophenschutz.
We didn't actually have a time to record this one on this.
No, but this car reached 210,000, just sold on the auction. I mean, it's a great car, runs fine, and it's everything, your Geiger counter, rubber suits, everything you need for a disaster. So that one went for a really good price, but it's also a really rare car, so it's a great collector's car.
I mean, there's a bit of a story behind that car, because we never featured it, so it was a special car used in German situations.
Yeah, it was made for the German authorities for disasters, so they pushed these cars out if it was a biochemical problem or a fire or stuff, so the fire service went out, and this is equipped with everything you need to face a disaster or a catastrophe. So this is really interesting, and it's sold well, and it's a great collector's car. And then we have some other stuff, our Volkswagen sections. We have a Rally Beetle, we have a 52 split, a big. This one just sold around 60,000, and this one was a 1966 Beetle. I think we got over 100,000 on that. So they're also they're going up in the price. Really, everything with a Beetle is like that. It's a cult. So you should always buy them, but try to buy them rust-free. As soon as you start having to repair these cars, then it's expensive. So that's my.
But not impossible though, yeah?
No, it's not impossible. It just takes time. Usually they have problems with the floors on these, and the rust on the sills and on the wheel arches, and so you can get everything, but it's going to take a while for you to sort of fix it, and it can cost a little bit. What else do we have?
I mean, the Bagheera, is that finished yet?
No, the Bagheera is not. Bagheera is coming out in the next 2 hours, and tomorrow will be the Austin Healey. So at the moment that's up on 350,000. So that's out in the morning. So if I guess, it's going to go for 450. That's what I think. It's worth that because it's fully renovated. I mean, just what the costs are for people is that you buy a car in a reasonable condition, and you can run it like that as a daily driver. That's fine. But as soon as you decide, I want to make it look better, as soon as you put like a paint job on something like this, you're going to work on 80 to 100,000 Swedish crowns for a good paint job. and then you start replacing some chrome and the other details, and then you have to put a new interior. You're probably looking at like 60,000 for a good interior. So you're up 160,000 with that. You have to replace the roof, 30,000, 40,000. So all these things start really mounting up in costs. So it's much better to buy something that's already prepared, fixed, drive home, than it is to buy one of these that's okay, but you need to start fixing, because then you're going to just be bang, bang, bang with money all the time.
And this one is completely done.
This one's is absolutely nothing to do. Just put some fuel in and drive home.
Right, I'm recording this video, but by the time anyone sees it, this car would have been sold.
Yeah.
We're actually recording live as the auction's going on.
Yeah.
And this car isn't finished in the auction as we're...
No, it comes out tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
And tomorrow being June the 18th, yeah?
Yeah. So this one, June the 18th, is currently up on 355. So we'll see what happens. Yeah.
Right. And as we're speaking now, the Bagheera is still to go under the hammer.
Yeah, it's coming up in a couple of hours' time. Its current bid is around 70,000, 80,000, but you never know what's going to happen. I mean, that can come up in 150, 250,000. You know, it's auction. As long as you have one or two people interested, they decide the price.
And just behind that, I can see the Vauxhall Victor.
Yep, the Victor. That's coming out also this afternoon, up on around 20,000 Swedish. I mean, if you're looking for something different, then it's perfect. And I mean, it's a great solid car. You would never find one like this. So this one will land around 40,000, I think, if I guess. So we'll see where it lands.
And we did miss out the Cortina, didn't we?
Yeah, the Cortina is up here. Just follow me. Oh. Okay, the Cortina, out later on this afternoon, bids around 100,000 so far. I'm pretty sure we're going to get 150 to 200, maybe more, because I mean, this is, like I said before, this is fully renovated. You just turn the key and drive home. So, and I mean, when was the last time you saw a Cortina?
Oh, exactly.
I can't even remember the last time I even saw one. Even if I go to some car shows and stuff like that, even Ford car shows, you see a few, but you know.
No, you just don't see them. I mean, growing up in England, you saw quite a few of them at the time. I think the police even used them.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess they even used the GT. I don't think they had the Lotus version. Right. So I mean, yeah, if you're looking for something which you don't have to do anything with, and you just want to drive away and have fun in the summer, I mean, you just can't go wrong with this. Even what you pay for, you're going to get back. So we'll see what this lands on. It'll be interesting to see. It's well worth everything for the right buyer.
And at the time of filming now, it's around 100,000 Swedish crowns. So.
Yeah, it's around 100,000. We'll see where it lands. So tune in next week to find out, folks.
All will be revealed.
Exactly. So here's a little bit of our behind the scenes. So people come in and look at the cars before they purchase. We have viewing times. They can book a time and look around. So yeah, this is how we work, you know. We bring the cars in, we value the cars, and then we photograph them, film them, and write descriptions the best we can. You can't write every single thing on the car, but that's why we want to get people to come and have a look at them before they buy. So that's how the auction business works, mate.
See, exclusive behind the scenes, yeah?
I wouldn't say exclusive, but yeah, just give the viewers a bit of a feeling how things work, and everything's online. It's no more old days where it's like a gabble and banging down on the board. Everything's online. And online means we can sell to the whole world, you know. We've got buyers in the States and in Europe and Asia, everywhere. So it's an interesting business.
It's all good, mate.
It's all good. All good in the hood, as they say.
That's all we have for this episode. So like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.